afternoon everyone. Welcome to my channel, that is Solid Master. Today I will make a assembly of the machine wise. Earlier I have created the components, total 11 components in both video. I have covered it. So now we will use a assembly of this to make this. So you can see the sketch of 2D drawing of our assembly, that is detail of view of machine wise. In this video I will show you how to assemble all the 11 components that I have covered in my last two videos. So let's start to begin it. Go to file. Now this time take assembly next to the part. Select assembly, click OK. It takes some time to open it. So our assembly window has been opened. It automatically selects all the components that I have created. So first take body, open. Our body has been come, so please place it anywhere. First body will be fixed, it will not move. You can rotate it only. See, like this. I am giving some appearances on this. You can do this also in assembly. Okay. So now select another component. Go to assembly, insert. Take all components if you want by clicking control. Press control button. Open. It will select automatically one by one, so that we can easily assemble all the components that we have selected. You can see the preview of it. You can change the color if you want. Now first take screw rod to insert here. I will choose go to mate. Select this face and this hole. Click OK. Now drag this part here. Now select this face and this face. Add finish mate. Now our this part is inserted here. You can drag it far away so that we can easily apply our assembly. So our next component will be washer. So select this extrude cut face and select this end part of our screw rod. Relation will be concentric, as you can see. Add finish mate. Now select this face and this face. Click add finish mate. Now this component has been fixed here. In this we have to use our nuts. So select this extrude cut hole and this face. Okay, it goes here. We want this to here, so I will choose this face of this nut and this face of washer. Make it relation coincident. Add finished. Select this face and this rod face. Our screw is here, our nut is here, so select this face and this face of nut. Add finish mate. Now both these are underdefined. Click OK. You can see here it minus signs come. It means these are underdefined, or you can say in floating condition. To make this both part fixed, so what we will do, we will use again mate. Select this face and this body wise face. Take relation as parallel. Click OK. And again select this face and this face. Same as it is, parallel. OK. Now our both nuts are fully defined. You can see the minus sign has been gone here. Only minus sign will be at this and this all, because it has a constant motion, so it comes in negative sign only. Positive sign means it is a fully fixed. We can only rotate it, not you can move. Select this face and this hole. Apply concentrate. OK. Drag this component so that it will look at nice. Now here we want end caps here, so our handle cap is here. So select this inner side face, and here will be outer. And actually we have chosen S wrongly, so drag this component and choose this revolve face. Now our coincident has been made properly. Only flip the direction. OK. Now select this face and this face. Click OK. Drag this component, so you can add here also this handle cap at the end of this portion. So press CTRL and click this component. But first click on OK. Apply here mate. Choose this extrude cut face and this face. Make it aligned. OK. Drag this. Select this face and this face. Make it coincident. Click OK. Now we have to place our jaw here in this center, so select this face and this face. Aligned it properly. Okay. Now select this face and this. Only you have to choose face so that we can easily assemble all the components. Click coincident. Okay. So this component has been placed properly. So now we have to add a jaw here. So choose this face and this. Select this face and this. Now we have to make it horizontal, so click this face and this face, make it coincident. Select this and this, make it concentric. Okay. Now here we are going to place our screw here. So choose this face of screw to here. Change its direction by using mate alignment. Actually it goes outside, so click OK. Drag this component to outside. Now we have to fix on this, so click this face and this face, make here relation coincident. Click OK. Now select this face and this face so that it will fix it properly here. Make it parallel. Finish it. Click OK. Now our screw has been fully defined. Now our last component is this, that is jaw, moving plate. So go to again mate, select this face and this face. Okay. Actually I have wrongly placed, so delete this mate. Select this and this face, change its direction. Okay. Now go to this extrude cut face and this face, make it concentric relation. Click OK. Now here apply this face and this face so that it will make concentric relation. Click OK. Now select this face and this face, make it coincident, so click OK. Now our this part has been fully placed. Only just we have to apply here screws here and here also, but first we have to add here another jaw. So exit this mate command, press control button, control plus click left click. I will show you. See, our another jaw has been here. Then press control again and select this screw by clicking left click. I will show you that also. I have taken 5 screws because we have to place it here and here at the bottom. So first add some relations by clicking on mate. Select this face and this. Make alignment anti-aligned. OK. Now choose this extrude cut face to this face. OK. Now select this bottom face and this upper face so that it will be properly fixed here. OK. Now select this face and this, apply concentric. OK. Now our jaw has been properly fixed here. So place here screws, select this and this face, change its direction choosing aligned, click OK. Drag this component to our side, select this face and this face, make coincident relation, click OK. Now to fix this, click this and this. It shows parallel, so make it parallel, click OK. we have to place on this board the sides. As you can see, the empty space here and here. So select this and this hole wizard hole, make it aligned. Okay, drag this component to our side, select this and this, so that it will make coincident relation. Okay, select this face, inner side that we have make a cut, and select this face, top face of movable jaw of our jaw, make it parallel. Okay, now we have remaining 3 screws. First one we have to place it here, so click this face and this inner side hole, make it coincident, same as it is. Select this face and this, make it coincident. Select this face and this face, make it parallel, click OK. Now our last part, that is we have to place this screw on bottom side of our assembly here. So select this face and this face. Okay, actually it goes inside, so I will do Ctrl Z. Drag this component downward so that it will be easily seen here. So now select this face to this face, make aligned properly. Okay, drag this component, select this face and this face, make it coincident, click OK. Now select here this face, to this face, make it parallel relation as it is, click OK. Select this face and this face, make it concentric. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Select this and this, make proper align. Okay. Drag this component. Choose this face and this. Make it coincident. Click OK. Now select this face and this face. Same as it is. Make parallel. OK. Now our assembly has been completed. You can see if you want to fix this component also, you can fix it. So choose this face and this. Add your standard relation. I will choose coincident. Dimension will be 45 mm. Click OK. So now our all screws are fully defined. You can see it. Here is no minus sign here. Our assembly has been complete. You can change the background of it by using on edit appearances. Click plane, show perspective by clicking view setting, perspective. OK. Share our video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye.